Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are changing the way you trade on Deriv forever. If you are tired of staring at charts, manual execution delays, and the emotional stress of trading, this is the video you need to watch. I'm taking you inside Pivotcore.net, an incredibly powerful auto trading platform built specifically for Deriv traders. We're going to put it to the test right now. I have set up a strict differs strategy, and the goal today is simple but aggressive. We're placing 10 trades, and I'm planning to walk away with 9 solid wins. Let's dive into how this platform completely automates the process and takes the heavy lifting out of your daily trading sessions. Before we hit run, let's talk about why we're using Pivotcore instead of trading manually. The Deriv markets move in milliseconds, especially when you're running a fast-paced differs strategy. Human reaction time simply cannot compete. Pivotcore bridges that gap perfectly. It gives you a clean, intuitive interface to build and execute your automated strategies without needing to be a coding genius. You just plug in your parameters, set your risk limits, and let the algorithm execute. No emotions, no hesitation, just pure, calculated trading. For today's session, we're focusing on the differs market. As you know, with differs, we're predicting that the last digit of the final tick will not be a specific number. The win rate potential here is naturally high, but a single loss can wipe out multiple small wins if your execution isn't flawless. That is exactly why we need automation. I've configured the bot on Pivotcore to analyze the tick patterns and strike only when the mathematical probability is highly in our favor. We aren't guessing here, we're executing with robotic precision. All right, the bot is live. Notice how quickly it enters and exits the market. Trade 1 is in, and boom, a clean win. It instantly scans for the next setup. This is the beauty of auto trading on Pivotcore. While other traders are sweating over every tick and fighting their own psychology, we are sitting back and watching the system execute our exact plan. Trade 2, trade 3, both clear wins. You can see the account balance growing in real time. The platform handles the entries and the payouts seamlessly. We're pushing through the session now. We just hit a minor speed bump with 1 loss, which is completely normal in trading. Remember, our goal was 9 out of 10, not perfection. What matters is how the bot handles it. It doesn't revenge trade. It doesn't double down out of panic. It simply resets and waits for the exact right condition to enter the market again. And just like that, we secure our remaining trades with 0 stress. We did it, exactly as planned. 10 trades placed, 9 absolute wins, secured entirely on autopilot. If you are still trading Deriv manually and fighting the markets every single day, it is time to upgrade your system. Head over to app.pivotcore.net right now and connect your Deriv account. It is time to let automation work for you. Also, make sure to join our active Telegram community at t.me/pivotcore, where we discuss these specific setups and share winning strategies every day. All the links are in the description below. Hit that like button if you want to see more automated strategies, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.